Hi guys, this is what my van looked like when I first bought it. Alright guys, this is Hightower here again, coming at you with an updated build video. I just joined a van life group on Facebook and just sharing little ideas. And one of the guys on there wanted to see a cheap van build. And I don't have a real big paying job. I did all this myself, so I figured this was as cheap as you could get. So just going to show that guy just how to do a cheap van build on a budget. As you can see, my window coverings are strictly the Reflectix. I just cut it to fit. It doesn't fit perfectly, but it fits good enough. And that keeps the cool air in and keeps the hot air out. Does a really good job. The bungee cords that are running across the top there, the blue bungee cords, those just hold them during the daytime when I'm at work or whatever. And right here is my dog's bed. He loves sleeping on the ottoman in the house. So when I moved out here to the van, I needed a place for him to sleep. So these I just found at Walmart. There's two of them, and they lift up and they have storage underneath. And then I close them down and put them together, and that is his bed. And he is a very big dog. He weighs 75 pounds. He's half pit, half lab, and he fits on there perfectly. So that's his bed, and again I have storage underneath. And I'll add videos of what my van looked like when I first got it, after I finished doing the plastic dip on the floors and the ceilings and the walls. And that's the only kind of, well, I have other insulation, but that's what I did first. I went ahead and I plastic dipped the floor, the ceilings, and the walls. See right here, you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not because it's kind of dark in here or right there, but that's plastic dip. And I got that idea from a video from Chrome. If you watch any kind of van life videos, you know Chrome. He interviewed this lady and this guy from really North Canada, and they said that they had plastic dipped their ceilings and walls and they got no condensation, and it does work. So that's what I did. Then I did 1-inch foam board insulation on the walls. That does a real good job. And then I got the tongue and groove right there. That is also very cheap. A bundle cost $11. I bought 6 bundles, so that's $66, and that was enough to do my entire van, all the walls, and the doors. And I still have a bundle left over that I haven't even touched yet. So that was also a really good deal. Right there is my dresser. I don't know if I can get a better picture of it, but it is a really good dresser. Anyway, it's a really good dresser, and it's 4 drawers. It's really big. I bought that at Walmart. That dresser cost $50. That dresser cost $25. There's my battery. It's a Jackery Explorer 240. I don't have enough stuff to drain it. I drained it last night down to 49% because I have 2 fans, and I had my phone and my tablet plugged into it. It was still 49%, and my 100-watt solar panel on top charges it up perfectly within 5 hours. So I don't have any problems with power. There's my kitchen. Excuse me. I don't know if you can see it. There's my kitchen right there. I bought that on Amazon for $30. That's got I bought that cooktop for $25. It's a butane cooktop. That right there has storage inside of it. You can have all kinds of pots and pans and dishes and stuff inside there. It comes with these 4 little pouches. That's also excellent. What you see right there, hold on, let me turn on the rest of these lights. There you go. Now you can see better. There's the cooktop right there. The first part of the lights I got were these little light switches. Went to Walmart, got some light switches, and they're battery powered, and they work great. Then I got the LED lights right there. They were also really cheap. Those light switches were $5 at Walmart. The LED lights were like $30 on Amazon. I got them stuck up there, and then I got some clear duct tape just to make sure that they stuck. And it fits all the way around there. It overlaps right there a little bit, but they all fit. And I got these little hat hooks right there, kind of make it look like a home. And I still have my house. I'm working on selling, fixing it up, and I'm going to sell it. And then I'm going to move in here. So that's the extent of my van build. I'm finished inside. I just have to, on the outside, I have some body work to do, and I want to paint it. I haven't done anything with the ceiling. As you can see, there's some insulation right there, because I'm going to, once I sell the house and I save up some money, I'm going to put a pop top on here. Either a pop top or a raised roof so I can stand up. So that's why I haven't done anything with the ceiling, because it's just going to get cut away. So I haven't done anything with that. But I rather like the setup I've got. Like I said, that Jackery Explorer 240 right here is a beast. I figured out that little thing has a 16.5 amp hour lithium ion battery, and for me that's perfect. I cannot drain it all the way down to zero like last night. Like I said, I drained it down to 49%, and it started catching sun at 8 a.m. By 1 p.m., by the time I got off from lunch, it was completely filled. For a solar panel, I have a Dokio 100 watt solar panel, and I got it fixed to the top of my van with Velcro and that Flex Seal tape. That works perfectly. Everything's waterproof, works in the rain and everything. If you guys are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. I do videos about once every week or every other week, just to let you guys know how my van is going. I'm going to be doing just some slight modifications, like I got to mount the trash can on the door right here. Just little bitty stuff like that I can do for little to nothing. But this whole van build, including buying the van, spending $600, fixing the van, fixing the water pump and the radiator, buying the van for $750, has cost me about $1,700 altogether, including buying the van. So that's really good. So once again, just like and subscribe. Please like this video. Let me know how the video went this time, and take care of each other. Have a good day.